One might ask, how do we get standing waves after all? How do we get these nodes and antinodes? Remember what we looked at initially when we talked about standing waves. We had something like this. We had a wave moving towards the right, a wave moving towards the left, and the sum of these two waves, or the superposition of these two waves, is what gave us the standing wave. This is what we had. Now the question is, how do we get a standing wave in a string? Something like this. So this is the way we get it. So we have a wave towards the right, and then what's going to happen is it's going to meet this fixed end here. Remember what happens to a wave when it meets a fixed end. It is inverted upon reflection. So it reflects, but then the reflected wave is inverted. That's what you see with the green one here. So by being inverted, it's out of phase with the initial wave here. So that wave is out of phase, and then it's reflected here also the same way, being out of phase. And that's what we get. That's the way we get the standing waves. So the wave, because we have fixed ends at both sides of the string, the reflected wave in both cases are going to be inverted, resulting in a wave that's out of phase compared to the incident wave. So the reflected wave is out of phase relative to the incident wave. And that's very much equivalent to what we get here when we have the blue wave and the green wave out of phase relative to each other.